Mabiba farm, hi. Mabiba farm, hey. Clothes and skirt, pants and shirt. Tie your apron, wash your hands, and let's cook. Today I'm gonna show you one of my most requested potato dish. So first we're gonna start off by peeling sweet potato. Dice the potatoes. You can dice it in a size that you like. I do tend to do it a little smaller. And some easy way to do it is you can just make circles first, and then you can go and you can do this. Will give you, once you cut that off, it'll give you a nice flat surface to cut, and then we can just go ahead and we can do this. So there are different ways that you can go about dicing your sweet potatoes. I know sweet potatoes is pretty popular, especially this time of year. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna heat the oven to 350 degrees. So I'm just gonna get our oven heated. Now for me, I hate to heat the big oven when I'm just making like a small dish. So for like this, I'll be heating the toaster oven actually. Again, if I was gonna make something else, I just hate heating an entire oven just to bake a small side dish. As this is just gonna be a small portion just for this will be able to feed say three to four person with just this one potato. And then it depends on how many other sides you may have and vegetable. Today I'll be making this. For dinner, we'll be doing, I'm going to put some pork chops on the grill. I already have that seasoned and being marinated. Get it washed. We also have the garlic. So I'm going to do a garlic butter sweet potato. So anyhow, let's do some housekeeping. Oh my god. Let's do some housekeeping. So let's get rid of all of this. Dry the potatoes as much as I possibly can. Oops. Along with that. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get it seasoned. Tablespoon of butter is melted. What I'm trying to do. So what I'm trying to do. Some sweet potatoes. I have the pork chop seasoned. I'm going to turn the smoker on. Right, yeah. It's good. Stir that. So we got the butter, garlic, salt, pepper, and then a little, I'm using some of this, garlic herb and black pepper sea salt. I didn't use much because then I have the pork and it's very well seasoned. I'm going to have with it, and I don't want to take away from that. So I'm not going to heavily. What's going to really work with these potatoes is the garlic and the butter. That's what we want to come through most, is that garlic butter. Okay? So now I'm going to take it. I'm going to put it into a dish that we're going to bake it in. I'll roast it. Yeah? Ooh, must be hiding. Did you wash your hands? Did you drink your water today at school? Oh, let me see water bottle. Is it empty? Did you remember your sweater today? Did you leave it at school? So all this butter in here. I'm just going to scrape it on. I ain't going to waste that butter. yesterday. I'm just gonna put this in the oven. What did we do with it this morning? We didn't even... Okay. Wherever you put it, baby, it should still be there. I didn't touch it, babe. Check again.